Now we'll talk about list slicing. This is another concept. We have a list. This is my list, and I want to slice this list, and yet I want to take a portion of this list, so I can say something like that. So, and then it will give me only the first two, 0 and 1 element, huh? Because I can take maximum from 0 to 1. Similarly, 1 to 3, I'll be taking these two elements for the second one. Now let's see in the example. I have a list 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, something like that. And now I want to print a list that is A from 0 to 2. Now, with this command, A0 to 2, it will produce a new list. It will not change the original list, okay? Keep in mind. So it will produce a new list that I will be getting from 0 to 2. So let's go and run it. So I got 1 to 2. Now, I just want to see what happens to my original list. So I want to print A as well to see, is it going to make any change, or it will keep the original as is. So I just run it again, and now you see that it takes the slice of that list, but it did not make any changes in the original list. So this is how we are working with the slicing. Now we have another example. So we have we can have negative indices as well. So for example, if I say I have like -1, okay, so it should start from the end, and it should give me 6. Since it's not making any changes, so let me turn it off. So we can just see, maybe I can just have a blank line. So let's run it. So I got 6. The -1 is the last one. So it is starting from the end, huh? I can say, okay, can you give me from 3 to -1? Okay. So let's see what we get from there. From 3, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. So starting from 3 to until -1. So that is, so it goes up to -2, 4, and 5. The last one, of course, as usual, last one will be ignored. Now, if I say start from 3 to -2, so you will see that we get just 4, because it starts from 3. This is 0, 1, 2, and 3. Okay. And then this is -1 and -2. So it will ignore the last one, and then it will only give me 0, and it will give me only 4. So similarly, if I say -3 and -1, did we practice? -3 and -1. Okay. So what it should do, this is -1, this is -2, this is -3. So it will start from -3, which is 4. And then it will go until 5, because the last one will be ignored. So we can try that. There you go. So we got 4 and 5, and the last one is ignored in this case. So, okay, we do have another additional option, and that is what we call stride. Okay, stride is like a skip. So if I say, give me like 2, so let's start from here. This is my 0 to 5. So I'm talking about all this, huh? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I say, give me the stride of 2. So it will skip 1. Every next it will skip. So this is 1, 3, 5, and then it was supposed to be 7 next, huh? So let's go until 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so starting from 0, it will pick the 1, and then it will skip, and then it will go further. So still it will go for the 5, huh? So if I say length of A, So let's see if it works like that. Okay, yeah. So starting from 0, which is 1, and it will skip 1, and then it will go for the next one. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and the next one will be 11. Similarly, I can go for the 3, and you will see that. So 1, 4, 7. So it will skip, and it will go to the third one. That is, it will skip 3, and then it will go for the 4th. Then it will skip 3, and then it will go for the, and then skip, and then it will go for the 10. Okay. So that is how we can. So this is what we call stride. We do have some examples here. So if you see 0 to 2 mean and 0 and 1 element. Always go for the -1. So 0 to 5 mean basically we are going until 4. 0, 1, 2. This is the 4th one that we're going. 0, 1, 2, 3. 2 to end, another interesting part. So if I say I want to go to 2, and then I say until it should be end. So let's see what we get from here. Oops. 2, and it should be A, it should be 2, and then there should be nothing. So there you go. Starting from 2, 0, 1. This is my 0, this is my 1, and this is my 2. Starting from 2 until the end, I'll get the copy. Until 4, for example, like that. So it will start from 0, then you start from the 0 index, that is 1. So 2, 3, and the 4th value will get like that. If I say something like that, it will make the copy. It will get the copy of A, and it will print A, the complete array. But remember, this is a copy of array, not the original array. So as I mentioned here, it will get a copy of the list. We have some examples here which you can try by yourself. Okay, and that's it for this topic.